Growing up, riding a skateboard was the best. Anytime I needed to get my mind off of school or whatever else, I would just grab my board, go out, and skate. Nothing mattered other than that feeling I got pushing on that board, the wind in my hair, and the amazing feeling of accomplishment of learning new tricks. I used to watch my favorite video parts and then go out and do my best to try every single trick I saw in the video. The music was so impactful to me, I would be playing the video part song on repeat in my head. I didn't set out to be a professional skater or start a business or any of this wild stuff we have going on now. I simply just loved skateboarding. At the age of 37, I still love skateboarding just as much as I did. It's not as easy to learn as it was, my body aches, and it doesn't move like it once did, but I still get that same amazing feeling every single time I learn a new trick. Having skated for over 27 years, I have a certain set of tricks that I can do, and I really do just sort of stick to those tricks. Moving outside of that box can be difficult, and it really requires me to push myself.
I'm already exhausted. We're at 9 points. You realize we're at 9 points? Skategod is 1,000 points. It's over 1,000 points. That's a lot of tricks.
It's also like I just don't think to try some of these tricks. I want to say it's because I don't want to do them, or I don't think they look cool, or whatever else. But that, I know, is 27 years of failing at some of those tricks, stacked up, just compounded over and over and over, and I know I have to push back against that and overcome that obstacle.
Oh, that was good.
We're not counting that, it rolled on the ground.
No, that was good. You got it right here.
When I first started skating, there was no cool or uncool tricks. They were just tricks. At 37, I'm getting back to that same feeling, and it feels amazing. I decided to set a personal goal for myself to learn enough of the tricks in the Braille skateboarding app to achieve the highest rank of skategod, named after the one and only skategod himself.
Yes! Whoa! Yes! Whoa!
Yeah, that guy. I often decide on these goals like many people who will make a New Year's resolution very excited, and then 2 weeks later they tell themselves, oh, I didn't really want that anyways. So I'm just going to do my best to push through the blood, sweat, and tears on this goal.
I'm tired.
Physically, I have to get into better shape if I'm going to make it. I've had persistent back pain for years. During the 2020 lockdown, I had one of the most painful experiences of my life, which was kidney stones. I found out that the back pain might have been this entire time from the kidney stones. So I'm eating better, working out, and I'm trying to work up toward being able to achieve this goal. I have to nearly double the amount of tricks I know. I feel this battle will be mostly mental. Pushing through 27 years of telling myself I cannot do all the heel flip variations and then having to do every one of them, it's going to be a long and rough road. My goal is to skate every day, work out weekly on a set schedule, and post my progression daily. I'm excited for this series and to push myself. I hope you are excited for it also. I want to push myself not only for myself, but more importantly for the millions of people who could use a little inspiration, motivation, and who could use a smile put on their face with the incredible feeling of landing their first skateboard tricks. There is an incredible feeling of freedom that comes with skateboarding. The world is your blank canvas. You can learn to skate and add your own individual flavor into the mix. I want you to join me on this journey. I want you to experience the same amazing feeling and life-changing experiences that skateboarding will bring. It's easy to join me. Just simply get a skateboard if you do not already have one, set up a schedule, add in some skate sessions, learn new tricks, and post them on your social media profiles so others can follow along and you can inspire them to go skate as well. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need filmers, you can do the entire thing on a phone. Five years from now, you can look back and see every trick you learned and see how far you have come. Sometimes progression is slow, and it can feel like you're not moving anywhere. But if you keep working on it every single day, trust me, you will look back and you will be blown away at how good you have gotten. These small accomplishments, they really build up. This is the start of my journey, and I hope you join me in creating your own story. Step on the road, start your journey. It's go time. Let's go, Braille.